Today, we are going to learn about the difference between some commonly confused words in English. The words we have today are there, 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 they apostrophe re, there, their, theirs, theirs, and theirs, their apostrophe s. These words may sound similar, but they have different meanings and uses. By the end of this video, you will be able to use them correctly. Let's start with their, There. It is an adverb of place which is used to refer to a place or location. For example, the cat is over there. I'll meet you there. Well, in the sentence, the cat is over there, the word there is used to indicate the location of the cat, which is not near the speaker or the listener. Similarly, in the sentence, I'll meet you there, the word there is used to indicate the location where the speaker and the listener will meet. Moving on to the next word, they apostrophe re, there. It is a contraction of the words they and are, which means it combines two words into one. This contraction is used to describe a group of people or things, and it is often used in informal speech and writing. For example, they're going to the market. They're my friends. There, Their, is a possessive pronoun that shows ownership. It is used to indicate that something belongs to a group of people or things. For example, their car is parked outside. I saw their house. In the sentence, their car is parked outside, the word there is used to indicate that the car belongs to a group of people. Similarly, in the sentence, I saw their house, the word there is used to indicate that the house belongs to a group of people. Theirs, Theirs, is also a pronoun that indicates ownership, but it is used to replace a noun. It is often used when we want to avoid repeating the noun that we are referring to. For example, in the sentence, the red car is theirs. The word theirs is used instead of repeating the noun car to indicate that the car belongs to a certain group of people. Similarly, in the sentence, the books on the shelf are theirs. The word theirs is used instead of repeating the noun books to indicate that the books belong to a certain group of people. Theirs, their apostrophe s, is a contraction of there is or there has in English. It is used to indicate the existence or presence of something. For example, there is a spider in the bathroom. There has been a change in the plans. Well, in the sentence, there is a spider in the bathroom, there's is a contraction of there is, indicating the presence of the spider in the bathroom. Similarly, in the sentence, there has been a change in the plans, there's is a contraction of there has, indicating the existence of a change in the plans. Let's now practice using these words correctly. Here we have some sentences with blanks. Try to choose the correct words to fill in the blanks. I'm giving you a few seconds. Well, I hope you have tried well. In the first sentence, the correct word is there, as it shows the cat belongs to a group of people. Their cat is black and white. In the second sentence, the correct word is theirs, as it indicates the existence of a party. There is going to be a party tonight. In the third sentence, the correct word is there, as it is a contraction of they are. They're going to the beach this week. In the fourth sentence, the correct word is there, as it shows that the pizza is someone's favorite food. In the fifth sentence, the correct word is theirs, as it is used to avoid the repetition of pizza. Well, this is the end of the video. Thank you for being with me. Keep learning.